Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. The Crunchwrap Supreme is on the menu today. The Taco Bell copycat Crunchwrap Supreme. Here's what it looks like before it's cut. And here's what it looks like after we split it in half. Take a look at those ingredients, everybody. Take a look at them. And these are those ingredients. We need the big flour tortilla, the burrito one, and the tostadas, the crunchy tostadas to go inside. Ground meat of your choice. I am using ground beef. Use the ground meat of your choice. I am going to use tomatoes, romaine lettuce. I got Mexican 4 cheese here, and I got a cheddar cheese behind that, but I think I'm going to go with the Mexican 4 cheese, so that's cool. Anyway, I got the romaine lettuce. I got sour cream. It's like sour cream. You can use regular sour cream, of course. Jalapeno peppers, the kind used on the nachos. So the nacho peppers, that's what I'm using in mine. All right, you know what I always say, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get to it. All right, now, first thing that we want to do here is we want to do mise en place, which means everything in place and you've got everything situated, so all you have to do is cook. So what we want to do now is we want to cut up the tomatoes, you want to cut up the lettuce, you want to make sure your cheese is open, so you want to get everything right there, so when you start assembling the crunch wrap, you can go ahead and do it lickety split. You'll be done and you'll be ready to brown it in a pan. So get everything ready, and that's with all dishes. I say that with everything. Have your ingredients on hand, but have them ready. When you have to go and look for things and get things, it just prolongs the cooking process, and it can become very frustrating. All right, so now you can cut those tomatoes up however you want to. I did a kind of a large chop on them, so it's a large dice, but it's okay. All right, that's romaine lettuce. You can use iceberg lettuce if you want to, so chop this up a little bit, and that's going to be that. So now that the meat is done already, so I had already done the meat earlier, so if the meat was not done, then of course I will be doing it right now, but now we'll start assembling. So here's the base to the Crunchwrap Supreme. So if you've ever had one, or if you've ever even seen one on TV, then here's the base to it. So that flour tortilla goes at the bottom, and this tostada, this crunchy tostada, goes on the top of it in the very center. So make sure it's centered perfectly or nearly perfectly. And the key to this, the thing about this is you start layering or putting your ingredients in whatever order you want to put them in. I mean, there's no particular order for me. So if you want to put your cheese on the bottom or your meat on the bottom, you do that the way that you want to do it. So, okay. So as you can see now, I'm just opening my cheese. I just opened the sour cream. So we're going to get started with the assembly and layering this. So as I said, you choose the order in which you want to layer yours. I will do meat at the bottom, but if you wanted to do cheese at the bottom, then meat, then cheese again, you could. Ooh, you could. I'm a cheese lover, I really am. So, okay. I'm gonna get this meat. So I left the meat in a little bit of liquid right there, if you see it. I left it in a little bit of the liquid that was rendered from the meat, the fat that was rendered from the meat while it was cooking. The reason why I did that, I didn't want my meat to dry out. I wanted it to be a little juicy. So I did not want to put very dry meat on the inside of this. Even though you can dip this in a salsa or a cheese sauce or a sour cream, I still didn't want the meat to be extremely dry. So that's why I left it in that liquid. But cheese, put as much cheese as you want. More cheese, please, please, please. I like a lot of cheese, so I'm going for it right here. And I really mean that. I'm going for it. Look at that. Yes. Cheese, baby, cheese. Can't go wrong with cheese. Cheese is like bacon. Cheese make everything better. Bacon make everything better. Cheese make every damn thing better. Alright, so I'm just going to put dollops of sour cream. So you put as much or as little, or leave it out if you don't like sour cream, but hell, I love it. So I'll put some dollops of sour cream in this. I like it. All right. So what I have left, I have tomatoes, lettuce, and peppers. The nacho peppers. The pickled jalapeno peppers. I got those. So, which I believe is not included in the original Crunchwrap, but it's going in mine because I want that taste in mine of those peppers. Yes, look at that. They smell good too. Either that or I'm just really hungry today. Maybe I'm really hungry. But I'm waiting for this. Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I cannot wait. All right, lettuce on the top, piled high, but I'm able to do this because of how big the burrito shell is. So if you get that medium burrito shell by accident, then don't pile your ingredients on because it's not going to close. Watch me close this. This needs to close completely. So you're going to take it and go around a little bit. It's okay if you look at my finger because this is mine. I'm about to eat this. All right, so now look. Closes beautifully. That's exactly what you want right there. Look at that. That's beautiful. You didn't do too badly with that, did we? Look at that. That's kind of nice. So turn it over, and there it is. All right, so I've already got the pan on the stove, and the pan, it's got a little oil in it. So let your pan heat up, a little oil in it. Now, heat it up on high. Lower that flame to medium. You know what I always say? So lower that flame to medium, we're good to go. So what you're looking for here is you're just looking for a nice crispy golden brown color. So you'll see, and this doesn't take that long. These flour burritos, so keep in mind that everything on the inside is already done. So you're not cooking anything. The only thing you're doing here is you're browning this outer shell. So you're just gonna make the outer shell crispy, which gives it the most fantastic flavor in the world. All right, so that's the gist of what you're trying to do. You're just trying to get it browned on that side and browned on the other side, and guess what? Crunchwrap Supreme will be ready. So this is what you do. Take a look. Take your spatula, turn it over, and actually look at it. Now you want to do that side first, where you closed it, because you want it to seal. So when it browns like that in that oil, it's going to seal together and stay. So you don't want to do this flat side first. For obvious reasons, you don't want it to open up on you. So, but you know what I always say, turn it, don't burn it. So take a spatula, lift it up, look at it, make sure it's not burning or make sure it's not too brown. And if it starts getting to that point, then turn it over. And if you think you need a little more oil in the pan, do that too. So look at that. See? Nice golden brown color. Exactly what you're looking for. It's exactly what you're looking for. All right? All right, so we're going to do the same thing for this side. You know, that side, stay in there until it's golden brown. When it's golden brown, we'll take it out, cut it in half, and serve it. So you can serve it with, like I said before, earlier, you can serve it with a salsa, a sour cream, a hot sauce, whatever type of sauce you may have, or you can just eat it like this. It's actually fine. Looking really good. Not much to say right here. All we can do is watch it browning, baby. So I just want you guys to get a gist of how long it takes to brown actually in real time. So this is real time. I have not edited this or anything. So you're watching the few minutes that it actually does take to brown this. Ooh, it looks delicious. All right, it's out. We'll take it out. That's what it looks like before we cut it. So you just put it on a plate, a cutting board, or something like that, and give it a little cut on the side. All right. All right. So take a look here, because this is what it looks like once it's cut. Hey guys, thanks for watching again. Enjoy your meal. See you next time. As always, I appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.